Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Marshayla. I'm a licensed esthetician and professional makeup artist. Today I'm breaking down exactly what you need in your makeup kit as a beginner makeup artist. I remember scourging the internet looking for videos like this one to help me find the tools that I need to be successful. So whether you're starting out or looking for essentials to upgrade to, I got you covered with pro tips and affordable products to get you client ready. Let's do it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what is your makeup go-to essential? First up is brushes. Brushes are the foundation to a makeup kit. My favorite brushes right now that are affordable are the Jessup brushes. They're a dupe for the Morphe X Ariel collab that they did. I bought the collab. It was like $120 for like, I can't even remember how many brushes, but it wasn't a lot. And then I bought the dupe later. They're literally the same. They're literally the same. We're not trying to break the bank on brushes, babe. I'd rather you invest that money into like quality foundation or concealer or something like that. So yes, brushes are essential. These ones are amazing and perfect, and they're like less than $40 pretty much. Can't beat that. Another brand that's really good is Real Techniques. I have a few Real Technique brushes in my kit now, and they're also affordable. A pro tip is to always have a mix of synthetic and natural hair brushes for like powders and creams and things like that. Now let's get into the tools that you need as well. Little things like a small fan, lash spoolies, and lip wands are essential to keep your kit hygienic and professional. You cannot, right now, I'm telling you, right now, you cannot use the applicator. You cannot use this on your client, multiple clients. You cannot do that, because guess what? Put it on Keisha lips. You don't even know Keisha had bumps on her lips a couple days ago. You put it on Keisha lips, put it back in here, and you put it on Sasha lips. Now Sasha got bumps on her lips, and you're the common denominator. I'm just saying. So you don't want to do that. So trust me, make sure you get those disposables. Your clients will appreciate the extra effort that you put into it, because that's not hygienic. That's not hygienic to be doing that. So don't always have extras on hand, because these go out quick. Here's mine right here. I keep it in this case, but I always have extras. You can never have too many. Never. We can't create a flawless base without proper skin prep. A good moisturizer and serum are the key to flawless base. Like without those two skin preps, the makeup is not gonna eat, babe. Sorry. I personally love MAC Stroke Cream. Oh my god. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, and it gives a glow. You could also use Embryolisse is another good one. I have mine right here. You see it? She still gets loved on. Embryolisse, she's really good. She's really affordable. I got her on Amazon. Now this is like a makeup artist essential. Celebrity makeup artists use this product. You see, I've also used it as well. So yes, it's really great. Never ever skip skin prep. It is the secret to long lasting, beautiful makeup. Since you are a beginner artist, you probably don't know what foundations and concealers to buy, so a palette is gonna be essential for you. My favorite palettes to use as a beginner are CMA Makeup Foundation Concealer Palette. When I first started out, this was my only foundation and concealer palette that I had, and I used it on everybody, all my models. The coverage is good, it's quality makeup, it has a variety of skin tones, and it's blendable. Sometimes that makeup could be like thick and just not quality, but RCMA, with everything they touch is quality. I can't lie. That's a real makeup artist brand for you. Another option is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I don't know why Maybelline Fit Me gets so much backlash. It gets looked down upon, but the skin tone range is amazing. It's affordable, and it works for most skin types. You can't beat that. Especially coming up as a beginner makeup artist, you cannot beat those three attributes in a foundation. A pro tip is, if you buy the LA Pro Girl foundation mixing pigment, this is gonna make your kit work smarter, not harder. These mixing pigments can make a foundation warmer, make a foundation cooler, or you can make a foundation lighter. You don't have to buy all the colors. You just buy a few that you know that you're gonna use, then you buy the pigments, and now you just expanded your range. And for a finishing spray to really lock in that makeup, I suggest the Kryolan finishing spray. Sir John, who is a celebrity makeup artist too, Beyonce, he used this product on Beyonce for Coachella, and we all know how B get down, okay? BB gets down. That makeup did not move. That makeup did not budge. So when he said that on a podcast, add to cart immediately. For lips, the L'Oreal nude and pink lip palettes are perfect. So many colors for every skin tone. I got them on Amazon. I still use them today. No makeup kit is complete without a good powder palette. My favorite one is this one right here, KKAO Beauty. This palette is goated. I can't even lie. I use this on every single client. Every single one. Shade range is beautiful. The powders are so buttery soft. They melt into the skin perfectly. Like, she did her big one on this one. I actually went to Miami and met her and took her class, and I learned so much from her. Like, she did her thing. I can't lie. And that's it, girlies. That is my must-have essentials to build your beginner makeup kit without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive products. It's about knowing how to use what you have. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday. Do not forget to turn on your bell notifications as well, so you get a notification every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, girlies, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.